So the question is figure P.16 show two concentric equilateral triangles. It is resulting section view of a tetrahedron resting on its base on HP, which is cut by VT, that is vertical cut section. Complete the projection of cut solids. Determine the height of full solid and position of the section plane. Okay, tetrahedron is given. All sides are equal. So I can start. Base of tetrahedron is 60 is given. So write the tetrahedron. Okay, and write the slant edges. I'm already written that one. So I'm giving the naming A, B, C. You can take the dimension of. So edges of the base will be 60 mm of the tetrahedron. Okay. So edges of base is given 60. Okay. So measurement is 60, and you can see this view is already given in the question. Okay. As it is, you have to write the, according to dimension, you have to write the triangle. So tetrahedron means all sides are triangle only, including slant edges. Okay. So another concentric triangle is given. The dimension is 30. Okay. From the midpoint, you have to take 15 both sides. From the midpoint, you have to match it to the 15. So one side will be 0, another side will be 3. That is 30. Okay. So mark it, and you can mark the slant edges. Both sides you will get the 30 mm, 15, 15. So after this one, take the measurement of 30 from the slant edges itself, and you can cut the another slant edge. Okay. So another equilateral triangle will be up here. Okay. So 3 points, you can join that one. Okay. Join the 3 points with the measurement of 30 equilateral triangle. Okay. One will be the 60 base edge, and cut section will be 30. So all two are equilateral triangle. Okay. And this is the cut section. So hatch this part. If the front view or top view, anything is given in this question, top view is given. So carefully you have to write below the XY line this one. Okay. And measurement is given. So according to measurement, you have to complete the data, then project it to the front view. Okay. So project A dash and C dash and B dash slant edge from the point axis will appears here. Okay. So, but axis length is not given in the question because tetrahedron axis you have to find out. Okay. This length is not given. So, you have to go for slant edge parallel to XY line. But here it is inclined to XY line. Okay. So, you have to take the first, you have to take the slant edge. It is inclined to XY line. First, you have to make it parallel. Okay. So, how to make it parallel means from the axis point, you have to take the parallel line with respect to XY line. After that, take the compass from point O to the slant edge OC. You have to take an arc. So now the slant edge OC become parallel to XY line. C become, I will write that point you have to C1. Okay. So I will project to the front view. Okay. So it will come C1 dash. C1 dash. Okay. So now, so take the compass and take the dimension 60, because all base edge slant edges all are equal in the tetrahedron. Okay. So take the dimension of 60 from the C1. You can look at this one from the C1. Okay. You have to cut the axis line. Cut the axis line. Okay. So then the true line, that means the true length will be appears. Then you can join C dash to cutted axis line. That one should be considered as O dash, as it is from A dash to cut line. Okay. So join that one. So after this, you have to write the baseline, dark that one. So you can look at this one. So the cut section 1 for OA, 2 for OB, 3 for OC. Okay. So you can look at this one. The cut section O dash will be center. Okay. So O1 dash upwards O dash and B dash is visible. So the cut, see, first cut is O to A slant edge, that is cut number 1. Okay, project and mark it. This is second cut. I am taking OC, slant edge OC, you have to project that one. Okay, so after this directly I am joining this one. So directly I am writing the cut section horizontally. Okay, so direct horizontal line from 1 dash to 3 dash, cut section line, that is cut section S dash I am taken. Okay, so take the distance from the XY line, measure it properly, that one, how much it will come. So I got almost 2.35. Okay, height of this one will be 2.35 mm. Okay, so check it, that one. So then the projection of the cut section, so carefully you have to look at this one. Cut section projection will be, you can go for the 2, I am not written. So if you take the 2 parallelly first according to slant edge OA, it will cut in the same line. It will cut in the same line. You have to project it to the axis point. It will come to the 2 dash. Okay, so then dark this one and take the dimension of the slant edge. Okay, so if you want to write this dimension of slant edge, original slant edge, you have to draw it and take the distance will be slant edge 60. Okay, so this completes the diagram.